The Fairly Odd Parents will be back fairly soon on Friday Night Nicktoons. There's a better way to get into the zone. Jump into brand new episodes of Shock Zone. Joining Friday Night Nicktoons, studying nature. They're not just cartoons. They're freshly drawn Nicktoons. Jess had a family that was out of touch, a crush that was out of her reach, and a talent that was out of this world.
Watched you a couple of times, you've gotten really good.
This spring, to get in the game and to get her guy, she'll have to go after her dreams. And then all the rules.
Hi, Robert.
Bennett Las Vegas, rated PG-13, and now playing only in theaters.
Introducing great tasting Capri Sun Sport. It helps you get re-energized and rehydrated so you can get up for the game. But please, it's for the athletes. It's Berry Ice Thunder Punch, liquid fuel.
This spring, take a chance
Goodbye home, hello Rome.
and discover what dreams are made of.
This is so beautiful.
Yes, you are. Hillary Duff. Disney's The Lizzie McGuire Movie. PG. Here it comes. More Friday Night Nicktoons. What's coming up next on Friday Night Nicktoons? Calm down, we'll show you.
I wish my life was exactly like an action movie.
It is over, Turner. Prepare to change your name to the late Timmy Turner. That's the Fairly Odd Parents, popping up next on Friday Night Nicktoons.
At Bernie and Phil's, not only do we have great-looking furniture,
But we also have the best-looking customers in all of New England.
This is a great deal.
at Bernie and Phil's, it's all about the furniture.
And it's all about our beautiful customers. Today, people like you are enjoying the easy and dependable connection to the World Wide Web through Charter Pipeline. It's high-speed internet service that lets you share photos with family, shop, download your favorite music, video, and track your stocks fast. It's always on, so there's no hassle with dialing up. With Charter Pipeline, it's that simple, and it's available through the connection you already have in your home. Call now. Charter Communications is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm God. 20. How many fingers am I holding up? 7. Aha! When you leave this building, you will be endowed with all my power. This Memorial Day, if you say God works in mysterious ways, hey, Jose! Wait till you see Bruce. Jim Carrey. Bruce Almighty, rated PG-13. May 23rd.
I wonder who's babysitting tonight. This is Winkler.
No playing. No jumping on couches. No loud music.
What if she says no Captain Crunch?
Hold on to your teeth, Maddie. Crunch and ice. Welcome to my house. House party, that is.
All I want to do is jump and crunch. Jump and crunch.
My Captain Crunch cereal is a cool part of this balanced breakfast. Crunch fast, Captain.
On DVD and video, cool. You can discover a treat that will blow your mind.
I've lost my mind. You found it, Abby.
Treasure Planet.
Go, Delbert. Go, Delbert.
Now on Disney DVD and video. Rated PG. Gotcha. The perfect pop album. Gotcha. Emptied features some of today's biggest hits from superstar artists. Wherever you will go, you can take along Got Hit. You can call the number on your screen to order Got Hit. And with your paid order, you'll also receive 2 bonus CD singles. Got Hit CD single greetings feature Stacio Rico Stop and OK Go's Get Over It. Got Hit with the 2 Got Hit CD single greetings for $18.98 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. Got Hit. 22 hits on 3 CDs. One great collection. You can call the number on your screen to order Got Hit, the perfect pop album. 20 hits on 1 CD. Plus 2 CD single greetings for $18.98 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. Must be 18 or older to call. Check this out.
Okay, Goddard. Right over the plate, boy. Oh, get Planet. It still doesn't work right.
Anything I can do to help, Jimmy?
No thanks, Carl. I'll be done in a bit. Just make yourself at home and don't touch anything.
Oh, okay, Jimmy. I won't touch anything. I'll just be over here not touching anything. Jimmy, do you have a tissue card? Because I'm gonna... Oh, never mind.
Needs triangulation sensors. What do you think, Goddard? Oh,
how's it going, Jim?
Really great, Carl. Oh, wait, here's the problem.
Jimmy, is baseball really America's pastime?
Yeah, I guess so, Carl.
Why not air guitar?
Go figure.
Or pick up sticks?
I don't know.
You know, making spit bubbles is kind of fun.
Carl, have you been messing with the cloning machine again?
No, not me. Nuh-uh. You got the wrong guy.
You're watching Friday Night Nicktoons on Nickelodeon. We'll launch more stuff after the break on Friday Night Nicktoons. It's Nickelodeon Challenge and Play Marathon tomorrow. Check out an adrenaline-powered afternoon of action-packed Nicktoons, fierce competitions, ultimate challenges, and slammin' deep-sea karate. While you watch, 250 kids will win knack-knacks stacking battle figures. It's rock! Don't miss Nick's Challenge and Play Marathon tomorrow starting at 2, 1 Central. Brought to you by Knack-Knack and Hasbro, and the place where only kids win, Nickelodeon. Please don't do that again. I agree.
The Summer of X is on. Oh, yeah. X2 is head, shoulders, tail, and claws beyond your imagination.
Why are we getting uniforms?
We're on order. Should arrive in a few years.
X2, X-Men United, rated PG-13. The #1 movie worldwide is everywhere. I don't think that's the CD player.
Hey, I'll trade you my cheese sandwich. My Pringles no way. Cheese. No. I'll be your girlfriend. I'm taken. Squirrel. Nope.
All pass anyone?
Yeah, right.
Pringle Snack Stack. What would you do to put that crunch in your lunch?
Done.
So, have you found your verb yet? You could try in.
I love this bird. It's what I do.
So what verb are you going to do? For more info, get the OK to go online and check out verbnow.com. Verb is what you do.
Now, back to the fairly odd Friday Night Nicktoons. Nickelodeon presents Mummies with Mojo. All day this Mother's Day, baby. Starring the dirty diaper diva, Goose Hadley herself, Pickles. The Queen of the Jungle, what a wild woman, Thornberry. And SpongeBob, Sassy Bat. Saturated with sweetness, baby. All Mamadelic Mommy, all Mother's Day long, is Mummies with Mojo. Sunday starting at 12 noon in Marin Central. On the grooviest network of all, baby, Nickelodeon.
Start your summer fun at Toyota's summer event, where great value begins with Toyota quality. You can save over $1,000 with 0% APR financing on 2003 Corollas. Or you can get a special low lease of just $179 a month for 48 months with only $16.99 due at signing. Or you can save over $1,000 with 0% financing on Matrix. Get to Toyota's summer event and start some fun. It ends June 2nd.
Wrestling is now even more shocking. The bad guys are fatter. Much more dangerous. It's time for a little payback. And no one can help you. I want my mommy! Not even mommy. What's that? More ultimate moves from Ultimate Muscle every Saturday morning at 10, only on the Fox Box.
Well, it's got to be a double take. Back-to-back episodes of The Cosby Show, next on Nick at Night.